foremost, if you're gonna roll your canvas, yes, please make sure that you roll it facing outwards. The beads have to be on the outside. That way it creates kind of like a curved shape. So the beads just follow that shape. Obviously, you don't want to roll too tightly that you'll have all the beads popping out. So probably a circumference of about this much is good enough. So roll it outwards instead of inwards. Why? Because if you roll it inwards with the beads on the inside of the canvas, it will cause it to squish together. As you can see, if we have this shape and we have objects in the middle lined up, right? If we do this, it's going to get squished together. But if they're on the outside, then there's enough space for them to actually kind of wrap onto each other, if that makes sense.